What happened to Honey Bunchies after Shark Tank? Honey Bunchies, a family-owned snack bar business, made a big splash on Shark Tank during season 14. This company makes snack bars from simple, healthy ingredients: 42% honey, crunchy nuts, and sunflower seeds. They are gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, making them a standout in the crowded snack market. The company was inspired by Kendra Bennett's father, Ed, a Vietnam War veteran. During his career, he relied on unhealthy snacks, leading to health issues. To help, his wife, Jennifer, created a healthier snack made with honey. Years later, Ed tried to recreate her recipe, accidentally making something even better. In 2010, the family turned the recipe into a business, naming the bars Honey Bunchies after Jennifer's sweet nickname. Kendra and her family worked hard to grow the business. They started by selling door-to-door and eventually landed their first retail deal in 2013. By the time Kendra appeared on Shark Tank, Honey Bunchies was sold in major stores like Whole Foods and Safeway. During her pitch, Kendra asked the Sharks for a $200,000 investment in exchange for 10% ownership of the business. At the time, the company had $300,000 in sales, with projections of $519,000 by year's end and up to $4.2 million the next year. Despite a heartfelt pitch, none of the Sharks invested. They were concerned about tough competition and the business's high valuation. Still, Kendra remained optimistic, telling the Sharks they might regret not investing. After the episode aired, Honey Bunchies saw a huge boost in sales. Their website had thousands of visitors, and online orders poured in. The exposure helped the company secure new retail deals, including one with Kroger. By 2024, Honey Bunchies rebranded to Bee Honey, a move to grow their trademark and avoid confusion with other products. Today, Bee Honey bars are sold in over 1,200 stores, including Walmart. Prices range from $38.95 to $74.95 for variety packs. The business remains family-owned, and annual sales have grown to $3.5 million. Kendra is proud of their success and optimistic about the future. The Sharks may regret not investing, she says, proving that with hard work, family support, and a great product, dreams can come true, even without a Shark Tank deal.